We'll have chat. 1 second. Might have some air noise. Let's move this over here a little bit. There we go. Okay, welcome. So, some news coming out in a second. For GJ. Let me just get rid of all this. Let's get rid of all this. Morning, everyone in the Zoom. So yeah, news coming out now. We've got average earning index, claimant count change, and unemployment rate. Interesting. We'll see how this affects it. See if there's any big changes. And then while I'm here, I'm just gonna write on. Looking like we're very bearish right now on the daily time frame. Yesterday was quite a bearish day overall. Quite bearish. 4-hour time frame is looking still bearish. Got some resistance at 168.90. The news just came out looking like we're starting to drop. So taking a look at the 15-minute time frame, we have a support here, 16600. Got another support at 16400. We've got a resistance above the Asian highs, but then furthermore it's a little bit higher up. Let's take a look at the buys over here. Yeah, this is the major resistance. Minor resistance here at 161. Yeah, I think the sells could be quite nice below 16400. Or maybe below 16600. We'll see how this candle plays out. Let's take a look at the news. It came out yet. So claimant count changes less than expected. Average earnings is up, so it's positive. And unemployment rate is this exactly what they expected, so should be quite positive. Let me just move this here. What happened to waking up at 6 AM? I still woke up at 6 AM. It's just there was no trade, so there's no point in me coming on for another hour. So if there's one there, then I'll come on to it. But the only one that I saw was a trend line from here to here. Like that. We broke up, but for me, it's way too bearish, Goldie. And for me, the trend line on Goldie is from down here, really. So there, we've got one there. Which should be nice later on. The one here isn't really one yet. It's not a trend line, it's just holding a bit of support here. So, yeah, there's nothing too much on that. So yeah, for buys and sells, I think we're going to be interesting because this zone below here is actually quite nice. It's 20 pips or so. It should be pretty realistic to continue down. And the hourly zone, yeah, it's clean down to 16400. So it looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. So let's just move this on. The daily and the 4-hour are right here, which is a little bit annoying for the buys. If buys, you know, you could have resistance there, but then this zone's a little bit choppy there. So I think buys are a bit above 161. For me, I should put this on 161014. Okay, and then yeah, potentially sells below here if we get a closure at 16600. 16613. Very nice. So yeah, we'll see that. If not, we can just get sells below 16400. $163.99. Beautiful. Morning, looks like DC is already in GJ, is in a bit aggressive. Oh, interesting. With the news, yeah, I think the news is quite positive, so I don't think this is going to push down yet. Hourly's a little bit ranging as well. 4 hour closed bullish, so we'll see. Let's just take a look at Goldie then. Let's see what we can get. I'm gonna leave my trend lines on there. But overall, the daily time frame yesterday closed bearish. I wish I held my runner on for my last trade yesterday. I closed positions off there, 1786, same as Raja, but unfortunately it pushed down another like 140 pips. Holy shit. So daily bearish still. It's just having a little bit of retracement to make a top wick, which is fine. The 4 hour has got big 4 hour resistance right at 1783. So yeah, even though there's a 5 minute trend line there, there's no way I'm taking a buy there next to that resistance. Hell no, it's way too bearish. So I'm only looking for sells today on Goldie. Okay, so the 30 minute and the 15 look like this. For me personally, this is resistance. You know, maybe buys above 1783, but I'd probably want the fake outs for the sells back below, to be honest. And then, yeah, I think potentially he's trying to, yeah, it's a little bit choppy, I'm not gonna lie. It's not really the nicest zone for taking sells. There is a resistance there, 1780. There's clean candles in this area, so maybe closures below 1780. How does that look on the 5? Yeah, and that'll be closures below this support it's got over here. That could be quite nice to continue down. You can see the 30 minutes got support here and stuff, so we've got to be a little bit cautious, but I think sells below 1780.7 would be quite nice down here. So yeah, and then if we got sells below there, our target would be 1777. And then furthermore, 1773. And there we go. Morning Brian, morning Ninja, morning everyone.
Yo.
So yeah, we'll see. Look at a GJ over here. It's not doing too much yet. Asian though did push up, which is quite nice. So we can take the sells later on maybe. That 4 hour res is strong.
Yeah, and we just leave a big untested if we shoot up here. That's the thing.
Yeah. I think the sells are gonna be good though, to be honest. Eventually. Gold 5 minute trend line. I've got one from here to there. Does anyone have any other ones? I was thinking this one, however, it's not really been respected there. Let's take a look at that one, Joey boy. That one's a little bit better, yeah. And then that'll be a closure below 1780 as well. Yeah. That's nice. Is it right on that wick? Yeah. So yeah, we'll see. I kind of keep on that wick there. It's quite nice. So looking like GG hasn't done too much movements yet. So yeah, let's take a look at the chat. What up? Good morning, squad. Morning. Max indicator name high, low, London, Asian. It's called Asian Range Nico 948. Morning, top cheese. So yeah, we'll see. I think GJ just needs to sort itself out, and this Goldie needs to come to the highs again. But coming to that 4 hour res, it's only going one way, and it's going down, man. I don't think it's going to be going up anytime soon. So we'll just wait for the sell-offs, probably towards 8 o'clock, I'd say. Yeah. We'll take a look at EJ as well. EJ was some nice moves yesterday, considering half of them were bank holidays, which is mad. What do you use Asian range for? It just shows you normally if you get a break of the Asian range, it gives you a nice little push to the upside or the downside, or if it fakes back out into the Asian range, then it fills the range quite nicely. So there's quite a lot of things there. So yeah, let's put this on here. Hugo yesterday, my god. How many fucking trades did he take yesterday? It was sick. Took so many 5 minute trend line trades on gold. But like
You mean literally everyone?
But like 7 o'clock and shit, yeah. Literally every single one. Sick. So EJ, yeah, resistance at 135, 700. I mean, a closure above there would be quite nice because it's got clean candles to 135, 866. And yeah, pretty good, pretty good. Could potentially continue even further to 136, 167 above. Looks very nice. So yeah, maybe a buy above a 135, 700 would be pretty decent on EJ. To look at the resistance there, it's pretty clean. It's not too bad. It's pretty clean up, so that's nice.
I think gold could actually work, yeah.
For what?
But that trend line,
Yeah.
a massive, massive rejection.
Did you just had it now? Well, yeah, I mean, that's the second touch, so it should be good, man, if this closes below, I think. But if it can fuck around here as much as it can, I'd rather have that and then a nice bearish candle coming down. So, yeah, I think it should be good. Let's move this on properly. I think that'll be nice. And this zone is pretty good. So yeah. Let's look at GJ as well. Hasn't really done too much yet. DC still in them buys. Sorry, sells. Just be a little bit careful. The news is positive. I still think this resistance is pretty hard though, so we'll see, we'll see. And yeah, we can wait and sit around, but I really think that this EJ as well is going to be nice. And I think the gold sells are going to be good, man. Yeah, because I saw that little 5-minute trend line here when I woke up. It's quite good that I can do this, right? Because you can kind of see if there's one already. So I woke up, I drew this one like there, and it was breaking it as I was watching, like 5:45. Would it have got 10 pips? No, it got 4. But what I did was I just looked at the higher time frames and go, nah, it's way too bearish. There's way too much resistance to that left hand side. No way, Jose. And then there was not really a trend line break yet for the sells, so I was like, ah, fuck that, I'm gonna go for another half an hour sleep. So it's quite good you can do that, because you can see if there's one pretty easily. This line from here, this wasn't even here yet, so, and this one was too taut. So yeah, it's quite good to do that. You can just chill out. It means I have to wake up every morning at fucking 5:30. Well, I have to still wake up and check, but I don't have to be up for long. Sure, Andrea, we'll take a look at them. We'll do them. We'll do it at NY. Yeah, NY session. Oh my god, GJ. We got into a sell on the flip here. Stop loss above. To continue down, we went around about 5 or 6 pips. Yeah, touching that level, that resistance. We went break even. Price came and tapped us on this 50-minute candle, and then it started to continue. So re-entries, I think, when I look back on it, was on that 30-minute break at the low. Stop loss above.
Yeah, a decent. No, even the flip, you would have had a decent stop because you've got the structure change.
Yeah. I mean, you got the 30 closure, right? Yeah, so...
Yeah. Bit more aggressive, but it's valid. Structure's fine.
Yeah. And that was the big... meaty. Look at that. Beautiful. So yeah, that was pretty nice. That was pretty nice. I'm just annoyed that I did exactly the same as what Raju did yesterday on his gold trade. It's funny though, isn't it? Like how you learn from someone and literally do the exact same thing as me. From start to finish, Raju took the same entry as me. He closed at the same point as me. And said the same thing. He goes, well, I didn't think it was going to break the support. Fucking launched down. Can you mark up GU? Yeah, we'll take a look at GU. We'll take a look at GU. GU still struggling. Yeah, it's still holding that support. It's a big support, right? So if you do get a closure below there, I think it's going to be good. We'll take a look at GU because a lot of people are looking at that recently. They seem to enjoy it. Seem to enjoy it pretty well. So look at the 4-hour. So the daily and the 4-hour still heavily bearish from yesterday. Daily's actually bearish itself. It's already made a top wick. The 4-hour is bearish as well. Already looking like it's starting to make a little bit of resistance already. Take a look at the lower time frames. Oof, we're pushing down quite hard already. So for GU, I mean, there's a support there which is breaking right now. And then there's a support on the Asian lows here. So what you could say is if you're going to break below that low, I mean, it's pretty clean. Pretty clean until this level here. 1.20, 150, 160, something like that. Yeah, that's a nice zone. So you'd probably see sells below. This 15 just closed below actually, so that's pretty nice. To continue down, 12 pip stop, 7 pip gain. So the R to R there is pretty poor. The zone's too small. But it looks pretty good. Looks pretty promising. It's going to push down to there, which is nice. Which is nice. There's Jason in the building today. Where's Jace?
I think he said he'll be here for NY.
NY. Very nice. So yeah, I'm gonna watch this Goldie over here. Need a closure below there though. But looking like the hourly's still holding this resistance, which is good to see. Nice clean candles, at least to 1778.6, which would be good. So yeah, we'll see. Ninja, have you taken any trades this week so far?
I took an EN sell. It hit break even and then completely collapsed and hit my TP.
Horrible, man.
Oh man, that's like hours yesterday. Just get hit out by like 1 pip and then fucking launches like 50 pips. Oh. I wouldn't have minded to have held that on if other things were okay, but when that 15 closed bullish, like, oh, it just looked painful. So put this on here. Just move this on. So we got this mine and then we got this big support, 1778.6 is where I'd really want it to come to. And then it'll be 77.2. So all I'm looking at, chat, here is just where my targets are. And what we know on the 5-minute trend line is we just come to the next support. So 10 pips is there, which is okay because that's resistance. This is the main one that I think we should get to. And this one here. The main two ones that I want to target. To be honest. Yeah. And let's take a look and see whilst we get there, is there any resistance or support? Yeah, there is. This is a resistance here. So this could actually just be a 15 closure below, to be honest. See what I mean? Because if you're taking a sell, I mean, it has to close below there anyway. To get rid of this 1780.5, yeah. So we'll see. When you call the L, yeah. Yeah, we'll see it. We'll see on GJ. Looking like it's kind of struggling on that hourly. What are you liking more, Mr. Bry?
Nah, just let it move. I mean, I can't handle 4 candles next to each other. Like, honestly, it gives me a fucking hernia.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's the worst thing in the world when you see 4 candles. I go, nah, I'll leave it.
Yeah.
Just let it move.
Yeah, boy.
And we've gotten a lot of that this last week or so. We've gotten a lot of 4 candles next to each other like that on GJ.
Yeah. Oh, yes. Sure have. Yesterday was Monday. Let's trade. Yeah, we'll see. Let's take a look. Is there any more news today? Yeah, I mean, there's card news, there's US news. Raja's looking for buys with 1783. Yeah, I think still look at the 15 and the 30. I'd say for me it's probably about 1780, 84. Yeah, I think he's probably looking at the hourly, looking maybe there. No, I think I'd want it above 1784.3 to really look at it. To be honest, this goalie's coming down, boy. It's coming down, boy. So 4 minutes left. I really need this candle to close below the support first, to be honest with you. Then we can take some nice trades. Wait, just noticed tomorrow, 7 AM inflation rate. Oh man, more news on GJ. Fuck's sake.
The news ain't gonna stop, mate.
Yeah.
Not for a while. We're gonna have news for the rest of the year.
Yep. Inflation rate, interesting. So if this closes above the below the trend line, I'm still not going to take it. It needs to be below that support. Most of my L's have been coming because it's too close to the support. I gotta wait further below. We're gonna wait further below. Yeah, I think EJ could be nice later on. Almost double-digit inflations. Oh my god. 9.8% inflation. Shit. That's not going to be looking good, eh? Not going to be looking good at all. Oh, Liverpool yesterday. Oh, they don't look the best. I'm not going to lie.
Soccer at the moment doesn't look the best, mate.
Oh, it does.
Doesn't. Look at Man United. Are you talking about Liverpool? All suck ass.
Man United in the dark water. Ah. Oh. Come on, get a closure below you, pussy. If not, if this isn't closed below, then it's a 50-minute closure anyway, so that's okay. That's okay. Man United sliders on in Anfield. No way. Oh my god. Surprised you didn't get. Oh god, that would have been rough. See, hourly's pushing down as well. 30-minute is as well. Just needs to close it below this 1780. Good thing they got Man U next game. Gonna get the tickets for Arsenal versus Liverpool. Oh, that'll be good. Okay, it's gonna close below. $1780.8. Nice. Bum 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 bum. So 1780.76. The issue you have now is that they're going to retrace to 625 or a little bit higher. That's my only issue now. I think I'm going to put it on the wick here. Oh, it's going. May have to get in on the retracement here. Stop loss above. B. Ah, it's still 16 pips. That's okay. So closing in 6 seconds. Something tells me Raja just took an impulse entry just now. So I'm taking a sell here. Let's see, sell limit. Bam, 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 boo. Come on, Totwick. Get up your ass up there. Tap us in. No. No. Goldie. Still got a nice zone to that daily flip as well. Yeah, I think it's gone. I think it's gone. So we were 2 pips off getting activated. It's okay. It's okay. Hasn't gone to TP1 yet, so kind of just chilling. Just chilling. GJ is good. GJ bearish. GJ bearish. Oh yes. 3 minutes time. Yep. Looks good, eh? Look at the 30-minute. Yeah, 30-minute looks good as well. Yeah. I may have to leave this Goldie over here. I think we've missed it. Yeah, I think the Goldie you can still wait though for this closure, but I think this GG could be okay. It's got that untested, isn't it? Yeah. Two minutes left for the closure. Let's take a look at Goldie on the 15-minute. Yeah, if the 15 closes, we could get re-entry, so I may just wait for this 15 to close. Because then this will also be the 30-minute close as well. So we'll wait. I don't have a similar on, by the way, guys, anymore. I'm going to wait a little longer. I'm going to wait for this 15 close. Because if this 15 doesn't close below in the next 2 minutes, then you're going to be pretty goosed. So 2 minutes left of this. GJ.
Whoever imposts GJ is fucked.
Yeah.
GG just retrace straight away. Damn.
DC did again. Freaky Tuesday.
Look at GU. I just came right back up.
Oh God.
It's a problem today, I see.
Yes.
Going to be a problem.
So Goldie's retraced back up, but the 15-minute may not close below anymore. I kind of wanted to get into the trade, then get the push, then the 15 closure below, and then you're good. So we'll have to wait a little longer over here. So we'll see in 50 seconds time. Why wouldn't you put support at 555? Well, here? I mean, you could as well. Yeah, you could as well. Give it a bit more room. And it also gets rid of the wicks. Yeah, I agree. I think 580. Just to give it that little bit more room, because that wick area there is a little bit choppy. Chop central. Emmanuel, you here? Emmanuel. So 15 is going to close below. If we make a top wick and then flip this candle, it's 16 pips stop, and hopefully that top wick will be flipping onto our trend line up here. So we'll see. So it'll be 1780.29. Because you've closed below now, 30's closed below, making a top wick. Yeah, I'm definitely getting to this on the flip. Come on, push up, boy. Yes! We like a good push like that. Stop's going to be 1782. So I've got a sell stop, guys, on the flip of the candle. After it's made the top wick, we'll just get rid of these now. We don't need these anymore. Stop loss is going to be above the previous, 16 pips away. And we should drive. Yeah. Still look at GJ. Yeah, still not doing much. Still not doing too much. The 5-minute retest our trend line as well, right there, which is good to see. Good to see, boy. Today's news, GJ bullish flow coming, strong move expected. Interesting. Interesting. I'm going to enter gold on the flip. Yep. Oh, I've cramped my leg. Fuck. Ow. Gold retesting 1800 zone, expecting 200 pips. Oh wow, 200 pips. 200 pips. Holy shit.
Big pips.
Big pipperoonies.
I want all the pips.
Give me every pip. Give me every pip. In on the trendline retest, Stevie boy. He went for it. Beautiful. On the retest of the trend line. Fucking gorgeous. This zone's pretty decent as well. It's clean at least to this daily flip. Then we can go break even. So yeah, it's looking okay. Make sure to like the stream, guys. If you haven't liked the stream yet, make sure to like the stream up. I would poops. Yeah. Not pips, poops. Textbook trade, now we can only watch what it does. Yep, so closure below, nice top wick. If it breaks this 50-minute low, we should really continue. Yeah, buddy. You go get the pips, boy. Was it just GU? Oh, GU, no, GU.
It's a big celery, eh?
Oh, it's a fucking disgusting.
It's a fuckery. That's what it is.
Yeah. The fuckery. This looks good. Yeah, it's good. We can start to manage risk soon as well. If we break that low, then I'll probably move my stops on that current high. We'll see. I really want this drive though, because this zone's clean, man. Ninja.
Yep.
Is that an OB there?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's already tapped and reject, so if we break 715 low, then we should be good.
Yeah. Okie dokie. 5 minute close bearish, rejecting the highs. She should make a top wick now and then needs to break the lows. Do. 200 pips incoming. 200 pepperonis. 1 minute's giving me the rejections. That's good to see. Just need the drive now, boy. Stop playing with me. How long is your stream delayed for? I don't know. 10 seconds? That says 10 seconds, yeah. 10 seconds is not bad, eh? 10 seconds, I just want trading, is it? Still good GJ, yeah, still kind of messing about. Still messing about. Put playback speed times 2 and you'll catch it up. Goldie's taking his bloody time. Just need to break those previous 30 lows and then
What you need to ask is, Ninja, are you in gold buys?
No. I'm in sales with you lot. I am not bullish on gold.
Okay, yeah, fair, because of last night, obviously. I watched that whole thing as well.
Yep.
And you wouldn't go for an order block like that. You want like the more aggressive, the lowest,
The lowest ones, yeah. Not midway like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, fucking hell, man. Got the 5. Gold forecast in the next 2 hours. Next hours. Gold forecast. Gold pumping. Do need a counter trend ninja trade. What? Where is gold drive? This is a good trade. What the fuck? Yeah, I mean it's okay. She needs to chill out a little bit. 15 still got 6 minutes left. Why is there less volume? Ah, it's still early in the morning, man. Still early. Still early in the morning. Just wait for the 200 pip push. For fuck's sake. So 5 minutes left. I think if this 15 closes back above this resistance, I'm gonna take it off. We'll see. See how it closes. We'll see. Good idea, Craig. Boy, you could do that for sure. Good idea, dear. Look at EJ as well. GJ. Oh, GJ's pushing up now. GJ's pushing up. Very nice to see. So look at the 30-minute and the hourly. Yeah, it's still not the best zone. For sure, Craig. Still got 20 minutes left of the 30. Still got time. Just needs to get going. Yeah, this 5 minutes starting to hold now. $18 minutes left for 30. 3 minutes left for this 15. And good towards 8 o'clock open. 8 o'clock yesterday was quite a big volume time as well, which is good to see. So we'll see what we can get today. With 8 o'clock open. Give that candle, you fucking bitch. Yeah, man. Bri, do you have any? Are you still leaving the fuck out of this GJ alone in this 8 o'clock? Because I sure am. It's holding 600, which is nice, but there's too much traffic to the left. Too much traffic to the left. Okay, looking like the 1 minute's really respecting this resistance now. Now we should get the drive. Start pushing, boy. Oh. Fucking hate it when gold doesn't push. Just sit there and pain out. GG in consolation for last 5 hours, maybe expected high volatile breakout on London Open. Yeah, the issue is the breakout just isn't there nicely. Like, it's like breakout above there would be okay, breakout below there would be okay, 580, but it just isn't the nicest. Just isn't the nicest.
What I've seen as well, Max, so if you look at that goldie, if you go to the 1 minute, it makes a little 1 minute trend line. So hopefully it's bound to break that thing now in 14 seconds. So if it can break that, that's just another confirmation. Hopefully it will go down. But let's see.
It's really holding this level. See. 1 minute is a bear flag. Yeah. 5 minute just closed. Bullish here. How much might my stop be there now? 6 pips. I may have to move it. My stop's here, guys. I'm not gonna lie.
15-minute though is a bull flag. See how it's got a downward channel. The breakout is bullish, but it's broken below the channel, so you could get a retest, which is done.
Yeah.
So that
Well, I
could
also saw that the little channel
Yeah.
earlier, but then like you said, now I just broke it to the bottom now, so
Yeah.
hopefully it's actually bullish, but on a lower time frame, bearish.
100%, 100%.
But it's
This is
also,
what I
if you look
like.
at that 15-minute trend line from the top, it's keeping like sort of this trend line here as well, which is also good.
Yeah. It's good. I might move my stops to the previous 15 high. Thing is, will that give it enough room after do anything? 1781 point.
Come on, see it? It's breaking it now at 1 minute,
Yeah,
so
the 1 minute.
fucking
Yeah,
close
I see
now, and then go. I'm also gonna start shouting at this thing.
It gets going, it's going to
No.
be grand. Start pushing nicely, it just needs to go. If you start coming back up to here, I'm probably going to close. Minus 6 pips there.
There we go. Come.
So we must stop loss to 1781.07.
There's a closure below on 1.
Yeah.
Let's just see if it holds it.
So we must stop here, guys.
Can either hold it or try maybe retest it and then push. Well, let's see.
Oh, the retest looks good as well. Just mustn't now do mad things.
Yeah.
Oh,
Fly up
fucking
straight past.
5, man. Come on. Ready to melt. Are you guys still holding full stops or not?
Yeah, mine is still at.
Like, look at this, man. What the
Ash.
fuck?
It's a piece of shit.
Yeah, we'll push it up.
I mean, look at that crap it's formed on the 5. I mean, what the fuck, honestly.
Yeah. I'm out of break even. Nice. Closer plus 1 pips. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, beautiful. It's true. I got a break even. Beautiful. Well done. Good management. Yeah. I'm gonna get out here like minus 6 if it hits it. That 1 minute candle. Oh my god. Holy shit. I have to stop trading gold. Nah, it's good, man. It'll be grand. Just recently.
I'm still struggling to break up as well.
Yeah, I
to
know.
that
That's why.
resistance.
I'm still in it. Come on, bitch. Fucking get your ass down. That's the last time you're gonna reject that fucking resistance, you piece of shit. Oh my god. There we go. Fucking push, you piece of shit. Oh my god, that's the worst. Get into the most volatile pair and it didn't fucking move at all for fucking 15 minutes. Right, beautiful. We should be on our way now. 1 minute time frames closed,
maybe not.
rejected.
No, I'm kidding.
Fucking better now. Look at this. Yes, it's gonna push. Okay, very nice. Almighty push. Zone's clean, it just needs to break that. Is this the 30-minute lows? Yeah, break that 30-minute lows.
1H is coming from a double top as well, so
Yeah, that's why I like
2H strong raise. 4H strong raise.
Volume so
GJ's still doing nothing, so don't worry about GJ just yet.
Yeah.
GJ's still in the range, don't worry.
Good stuff. Come on, just break that 30-minute lows and we should be good. Do do do. So I've managed risk from 16 pips to now around about 6, which is great. And I will soon go break even. I just wanted to break this 30 low first. Should push before ATM because of top wick later. Yeah. Oh mate, what the fuck is going on here?
Look at the fuck.
5 is looking disgusting. Well, the 5's actually closed below, right? Yeah, that's the
fair.
first 5 is closed below. Make a top wick, break that low bitch and go away. Go away. Go away, fucking down here. Do you think it's more safe to put stop loss on the previous 15 candle? Yeah, but you've got to think of probabilities, right? If I keep it up there, is the probability of me winning the trade any greater? I don't think so. And then I'm going to lose a lot more. Got to manage risk, man. Break that fucking low. If this comes back to my entry, I think I'm going to get out. So I'm at break even now. I can't be asked for anymore. And this should break the lows now. That's why I'm going break even, because it's made the top wick of this 5. The 5's closed below. It just needs to break. Do 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 do. If it melts, I'm gonna cry. There's no melting going on here, I tell you that. Fuck me. Yeah, I'm out. Break even it. Oh wow, that was painful to say the least. But I wasn't getting that into a losing trade, man. Absolutely no way after that. Look at these 50-minute candles. Oh my days. And that was a great opportunity. Just clearly there's something there that we couldn't see. Let's take a look at this closure then in 6 minutes time, but that's royally put me off taking gold in this area.
Gold is hard, man. It's not. It's. Fuck, I don't know. I've just got a mental block with it. I take so little gold trades. I can't seem to crack it, and it's just gonna constantly put fear in you. You know what I mean?
Yeah, especially when it does something like that. Right, let's take a look, squad. If it melts, I'm gonna cry. Well, no, I mean, I always think here, if this melts for me, this is fine, man. I'm happy because I know some people will sub in it, and that'll be great. But for my position there, I gave it enough opportunity, man. The 5-minute close below, it made a top wick. It's got to break the lows, and it just didn't. So it's just messing around. The 1 minute looks like this. I mean, it's just garbage. So I still think it should continue down, man. It's still all printing bearish, but yeah. Seems like the daily didn't want to flip. Yeah, I didn't even get to that on my terminal. I'm in GJ buys. Oh. GJ buys. Interesting. Do do do. Yeah, so let's look at the 4 hour. The 4 hour might be flipping, but there's 4 hour res right there. I'm not taking GJ buys or so.
Yeah, that's range. It's range spam. I'm not looking at it either just yet.
Yeah. Fucking G. Look at Goldie. Oh my god.
There's a little head and shoulders there on 5.
Yep. The 8 o'clock's gonna push it.
Fucking better.
After roller coaster, I'm happy with the break. Even good example of important risk management. Yeah, exactly, man. You can't be in that for a long time. Get in, get out. For me, with gold trades like that, you get a push, man. The zone was clean. You get a nice push. When you start getting pushes, you got to manage risk. And it's beautiful. Get out there, break even. Man, yesterday's trade on gold. How many pips did you got closing full? I closed at 25 pips. I put a treble lot on. And then I closed my runner at 50 or something. So yeah, it's quite good for me. So watch this at 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock's gonna push. Can't wait to see Raja on Instagram saying, take a look over here. And he shows 69 pip profit trade he took on London. Nah, man. I think he might have got in that gold trade with me, actually. His closure below. Nice clean zone to the left. Hourly was bearish. But it's clearly holding support. And there you go, man. So, can you see? If you're holding that big stop now here, you're going to take a big L. And it's like, you know, you should have probably managed risk there. And, you know, after this push there, you should have just closed a break even. So, very, very happy with risk management, guys, today. If you guys did close at a break even, well done, man. That's some great ass risk management.
Using GJ bar.
Wait, what?
Using GJ bar.
Is it pushing? Oh, no. Steve Pips, did you get your 10 pips? You must have got your 10 pips if you got in on the retracement of the trend line. By the way, what's your opinion on EA? Is it worth building one with a good strategy? I think it takes a lot of time, a lot of effort, but I know a couple of people who are making some good ones, but it takes years of data, so. I'm sick of seeing people on Instagram going, oh, I've got this new AA and it's been running for 2 weeks. Man, I couldn't give a fuck about 2 weeks. Would you consider the same trade again if the hourly makes a top wick? No, I don't think I would. This is one of them examples where if it doesn't work the same way as it did before, I ain't taking the trade, man. You know, it didn't work the first time. Was my entry spot on? Yeah, I think my entry was good. My stop loss was good. The zone was good. Everything was good. And it didn't work out. That's not my fault. That's the chart's fault. And I'm not getting back into that. What I used to do when I was younger is I'd try and re-enter, even though my entry was pretty good. And I'd lose it again. Or I'd actually like take the loss this time. And then you're like, oh man, like what the fuck? It's because the charts are bad, man. It's not. It's nothing to do with you. You just got to take that break even and move on to the next thing, right? Like, what was it doing here? Like, what the fuck? Oh, GJ, looking for the sells, Mr. Bry?
I could, but I don't know what to, like,
Yeah,
am I gonna impulse it? Like, I'm not worried about the 500, the 250. Those are great targets.
Yeah.
We're closing below 750, so it's cool. We are bearish.
My stop loss is fucking 18 million pips.
Yeah, so it's just, do we impulse it, breaking those wicks, or do we wait for a close?
Yeah. Yeah, man. I think the best thing to do is just leave it a zone like this, to be honest. It's just no one's forcing you to take a trade. $39 seconds left. If this gold finally continues down, my days. 15's closing in 30 seconds. Oh my god, it's pushing down. Look at the 1 minute. It would be the salary play on the 30, but rejection wicks. These for me are rejection wicks now. The same length, rejected the same position twice. It's also near the daily flip, so it's just not looking good. My GJ hit break even. Well done, well done. Good management, good management. Didn't close below, not touching it. EJ, yeah, choked as well. $30-minute closing, making a top wick. Who's getting in on the flip even though there's not really a closure below? I know some people will. Tap the trend line perfectly. Yeah, it did. I can literally see it on my minute. Literally tapped it. Look at that. Holy shit. Okay, GJ making the top wick. Retested the daily flip. Who's getting on the flip over here? Stop loss above would be 9 pips. 30-minute support is right there. It's a boo-boo, man.
It's so tight, man. Everything's just a block.
Yeah. Yep.
Personally, I want GG to come to 160.1. That's a nice 15-minute zone. So it's about.
Me too.
Oh no, 161.1.
Oh,
sorry.
161.1.
So if you drop to the 15-minute, you will see that zone.
Yeah.
You see that 15-minute right there? Up,
Yeah.
right? No, up. Right, there we go. That.
Yeah.
That's going to be a nice OB. If it can reject from that, then I'll take the sells.
Goldie is coming down. Well done, Goldie. Finally. It's all that fucking around. Still hasn't broken the lows yet, though. Close 50% only. The rest got break even. Nice. That was good, Stevie, with the 50% because you got such a high entry. The probability that I pushed down, you would have got some nice runners there because it could stay on. Unfortunately, it didn't work in this one, but for the most part, it's pretty good. I think the gold's adjusted trend line looks better for sells. I think this is going to work nicely now, man, but I gave it an opportunity. It's breaking the lows now. Stop loss above the the current would be 12 pips. Very nice. But I'm not going to get into it. Sticking with my discipline. I tried it once, it ain't work. I'm not taking it again. I'd rather watch it work out and make it, play out nicely. But for me personally, it's just stupid. So you just move to the next one. Yeah, GJ's playing with lives over here.
GJ has just collected money this morning.
ATM.
This is a big ATM.
Still look at Goldie on the minute. Close below now. Makes a top wick. Right, you can get it on the minute. It breaks, flips. Something about that area just seems a little bit fussy to me.
I've just noticed on the 1 minute there's an OB that I tapped into after creating a double top on 1 minute. Right exactly where price is. You see how it created that double top and then went past it and then right back down. If you look to the left of it, that 1 minute OB.
Yeah.
You see it?
Wait, where is it again?
If you go up.
Oh, there, yeah.
No. Not that. If you go up, you see how it created this double top? Yeah, that one. See how price created a double top just below it? And then price shot up, taking out the double top, and then went right down.
Yeah. The T as well. Holy shit.
Yeah, so I should have seen that.
So if it breaks that low, it's probably going to continue down now. So people getting in there, I mean, your stop loss would be... Yeah, 12 pips. It's good. I'm using my discipline now. I'm just going to watch it. But it's a good opportunity. There we go. There we go. Did say break that minute. You're good. But nice playlist. What's the name of it? It's just this one. No copyright lo-fi. And there we go, beautiful. So there was actually re-entries there, like after this 5-minute push down. I watched the minute candle, and you know, after it breaks that low and it comes into the daily flip, you're gonna be good, boy. So yeah, painful but nice to the end. I'm just happy it worked out, man. I'm happy it worked out eventually, because I think this is a clean zone. So even if your entry doesn't work, it's good to see it later on. And 8 o'clock brought the volume, right? 8 o'clock brought the volume.
Yeah, we've got 18 pips there, so I might close.
Nice. Yeah, I think 1778.6 is a good target. But yeah, 18 pips is beautiful. I'd take some off there for sure. Oh my god, TJ! Oh my god!
Nice fake up.
Oh my god!
Beautiful fake out there.
Oh my god. Oof. Wow, this is a freaky Tuesday. Eh? Hey, this August has been hard, man. If you guys are struggling, don't you worry, so am I. Don't worry about it. It's been pretty hard. Gotta stay positive, and you gotta try and focus on the trades when they come about. And that's why I was a bit annoyed with last week. There's some nice GJ trades that I fucking missed.
Don't worry, I got them.
I know you did. Nice Tommy boy. Oh, Sasha, you eyed Goldie there. Did you get in? Mr. Sash. Is there any other indication of the 5? It's just one big candle, man. It did that like 4 times. It'll sort of pass it. So, until it started breaking that 30-minute low. Breaking of the 30-minute low was pretty reasonable. Can you teach us about order blocks? So I'm not an expert in order blocks at all. I'm actually an amateur, so I couldn't teach you anything. However, there is some guys in the group who probably would tell you. Ninja's very good at order blocks. Vincent's very good. So yeah, we could do something like that.
No, I don't want to teach. I'm good.
You've got to add 1 L to your overlay. Didn't. This is 4 break even. We took a break even today. So let's look at GJ again. Yeah, it's. Oh my god. People who just got in on that break, the 1 minute, look what happened. OB. Boom. Boom. Madness. Beautiful. So it should come down now to 1777.3. That would be beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, that was such a shame, man. I did it like that, but hey ho. Max, I'm gonna open a £100 account on IC Markets. I'm gonna manage my risk and try and make as much as I can. What do you think about it? That's what I always try to do, but if you take like three losing trades, you know, sometimes you do when there's, you know, something bad, then, you know, you lose a bit. You lose quite a chunk because you're over risking, right? Beautiful. Well done, Goldie. We're at lower trend line on gold. Oh, are we? We are indeed. Only issue I have is there's 15 supports here now. There's a bit of traffic. See, look at the 30 support right there as well. Kind of put me off. Yeah. What happened to the giveaways? No one has sent me a chart good enough for a giveaway. Or a collection of charts, so people just don't want them that much, that's fine. I showed you examples on mine I put on, but for right there, there wasn't too many. Wasn't too many. So 5-minute trendline stop loss would be 10 pips above. Interesting. But the free weekly giveaways, I do them when I want to. There's never been a structure of them. I just do them when I want to. Okay, GJ flipping again. What the fuck is going? Look at the 5-minute. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so goldie's closed below. I just think I've missed my entry, man. My entry was up here. I just think I'm getting in a bit too late now. And it's also at TP1, which is there. So that was TP1. TP2's down there. Yeah. TP1, TP2. Broken the lows, should continue down now to 1777.2. Beautiful. There we go. So, I mean, salary play at 8 o'clock there might have been okay. You just got 10 pips there. Yeah, 13 pips. 13 pips. 15-minute wick special, GJ wick special. GJ is doing nothing right now. I am not touching GJ in the slightest. Look at the 5-minute time frame. Can't upload on Telegram today? Ooh. I don't know why, man. I don't know why, man. Let's take a look at more comments. If you guys have any questions, make sure to ask me and make sure to like the stream, all that good stuff. We'll see what else we can get, but that was pretty much the one I wanted, unfortunately. Oh, for GJ 16400. Yeah, me too, I think. Friendship. So there's friendship ended with GJ today. Oh my god. Friendship ended with GJ today, mad. Yeah, exactly. I think that's the best thing to do, man. Playing it safe when times are tough, especially with this price action, man. This is garbage. Hello, is it possible for gold to go deep till 1777.2? Yeah, that's my next target. That's my next target. So I'm trying to think of what I should have done better there, but I think I did everything right. I think we got it beautifully. Closure below. Right, a nice flip of the candle with stop loss above the previous. And then we just messed around on the 5 really hard. And then this candle came back down, closed bearish below. When it made a top wick and then flipped, I was like, right, I'm going break even. Because you should get the drive here. Price then launches back up and you would actually have taken 8 pips drawdown and then it finally pushed. Yeah, if you held that stop, that was a good trade. Yeah, but I just don't think that was reasonable, holding my stop there. Because if you take a look here, look at the 15-minute. The 15 closed bullish back above. So, probability here, it should have really continued bullish. So, I think for me personally, if I did that 1,000 times, I think that would have lost quite a lot of times. So, I'd rather have managed my risk and took a break-even trade. Hey Max question, sometimes when I mark my 50-minute zones, if I zoom out on the hourly, let's say, I have a support like 8 pips lower, should I adjust my 15 to the hourly support? Because sometimes I mark my zones on the 15 and see in the hourly I can adjust it. But then go on the 4 hour and can adjust it also. No, I get that. I think for me, base it on the 15, but also always look at the hourlies. Base it on the 15, base it on the 30s. I'd say both of them for support and resistances. But if there's an hourly support and it's 8 pips away, then that's okay. It just means when you get to that level, you go to stop loss to break even. Yeah. Yeah. For sure, yeah. I think if there's big enough volume in certain areas, then it's fine. But I think for me, based on the 15s and the 30s, and then just also keep in mind that the hourlies are there. My stop loss has been tapped twice in GU cells where it hasn't reached the previous high. Fuck my life. Oh my god. Oh, GU. Oh. Didn't see Sashin took that trade. Sashi here. No, he's not here. Oh, that was a trade and a half. Why? Well, closure below. Top wick. Getting in on the flip or the break of the low there. Stop loss above the previous wick that's just been formed. 9 pip stop. TP2 to the next zone here. 18.6. That was fucking sexy. Yeah. That's what I want GJ to do. Because look what happened. Where did it happen at? 8 o'clock. Beautiful top wick. Retest the previous support. Flip, break the low. Clean candles to the next zone, which I marked out. And can you see it's tapped my zone straight away. So that was nice. 18 pip stop. Huh?
I caught that on the 30 just. I
Good
put it in
lad.
Telegram. Just caught.
Good lad. That was nice, man. Beautiful, Ryan. That was class. Very nice.
That's my EN cells that I'm in.
Oof.
30 minute OB. And if it violates that top, then it's pretty much a lost cause anyway. So
Yeah.
that's why I prefer the extremes.
Beautiful. Is it up? What's it up by? Is it still
It's
chilling
up by 1-0 now.
Nice.
Also, the 2 previous daily candles have no bottom wicks, so I'm thinking this is gonna make one.
Oh, that'd be good for some targets.
Current one and the previous daily, no bottom wicks on Euro NZD.
Trying to think of this gold. 30 closed below is nice. The hourly was bearish. The last 2 candles also bearish. The 4-hour was pushing down. The resistance from the top rejected. The daily time frame was flipping bearish at the time, very close to it. The overall trend is bearish. Everything, just not the bloody candles. 5-minute trend line. Yeah, no, it didn't really work. For me, like I said, I think for me here, this is the first TP, so I can't really take a trade right at the first TP because that's the first TP for my first trade. So that's where support could hold. Max, what do you do for a living? I do this for a living. Every single day. Okay, let's just take a look at Discord. He strips. I might actually have to strip in a second, I'm not gonna lie, it's getting a bit hot. I thought it was going to be a cool day today, for fuck's sake. Yeah, Mark, wait, did you take that as well, Mark? Wait. Bloody beautiful. Textbook trade. I'm just taking my phone off. Yeah, that's a textbook trade. Beautiful work. Very nice. Very, very nice. Wow, so who got slapped on GJ this morning? Who needs to maybe think about their zones a little bit more? Who got slapped on GJ this morning? Oh my god, look at the chat. Oh my god. Instantly get 4 me's. Let's take a look. Who got slapped on GJ this morning? Oh my god. Oh my god. I was saying, is Sashin back? Yeah. No, he's not. I was saying, Brian, take a look at GU.
Yep.
Take a look at GU. Oh,
yeah, I saw it. I saw it.
mate.
Who was it? Ryan, I think.
Yeah, I literally went through it and Ryan goes, oh yeah, I took that. I go, what a fucking... Did that make the top wick straight away as well? Let's take a look. Oh, it did! Oh! That's what I want on fucking GJ. That was literally my signature move. I haven't done that in fucking donkey's years because GJ's wank. Sorry, I shouldn't abuse GJ again. I'm gonna watch GJ right now because it's gonna be a good trade. After I've slagged it off, it's normally quite a good trade. Literally, like a move like that was textbook last year. Oh my god, a closure below, nice top wick at 8 o'clock, break of the lows, continue to TP1, which is literally the next zone. Beautiful. I haven't seen GJ do that in 4 months, 5 months. I'm marking of GU these last days and it's really looking good. To trade. So yeah, I generally just think you need to wait for this GJ to just break. You can see though, we're right at the daily flip and right at the 4-hour flip. So it suggests that price hasn't moved a lot, right? I got laid out by Goldie. I have lots of break-evens this month. Good morning, Moses. Good morning, my man.
GU. It's quite annoying.
Oh,
I missed my sell.
did you?
It was higher up.
Was
It's
it?
in a chart.
Let's take a look at this. Some OB. I'm trying to find one.
15 minute. Alright, so you see, go up. All the way to the top.
Here?
No, down, way lower. Right there, yep. You see where, yeah, you see this kind of support, resistance that I created? Yep, see double top? And then you look to the right, it kind of faked out.
Yeah.
And then that's where you would take the mitigation. So you see our price came up to retest this 15-minute OB just there, right there. I just wasn't watching, otherwise I would have taken that sell. I was waiting for GU sells.
Oh. That would have been stinking.
Well, I'm in EN, so let's see how that plays. I wanted to take GU.
Yeah, boy.
Guys, do you mind me asking? You know, you were just talking about the order block. Good morning, by the way.
Good morning, Paulie.
When you said it came up to tap it,
Yep.
are you looking for it to tap either candle there, or
There's only one candle.
It's just a zone. I think he means.
is one candle the order block, or is it the two?
I think Ninja. I think Ninja would take anything between there and there, isn't it?
Is that right? Yeah.
So
okay.
just you see that bullish candle before? The wick high and the wick low of it. Just that's my zone.
Okay.
Just that 15
one
minute.
there?
That 15 minute, yeah, just that 15-minute bullish candle. Yep.
And what
Yeah.
was that you were explaining? So a little bit further to the left there.
There was a double top and then
There-
price
okay.
closed above and then went right back down. So that's fake out. So
Okay.
that's why I would take the retest off that fake out.
Got you. Okay. Thank you.
That makes
Thanks.
sense.
Appreciate that.
That's lovely. Good explanation. Gorgeous.
Gorgeous. Max, when you on holiday?
The 22nd.
Nice.
22nd.
It's
Oh
gonna be
yeah.
a 20% week.
I'm telling you, 100% is.
Is that what happened last time you went away?
Well, just the charts are nice. I mean, I was taking charts and I was taking trades on holiday because they were fucking nice, but it's just not fair when I'm fucking. I come back and the charts are wank for another month. Oh man, this gold really. Beautiful.
I got a runner on gold. Unbelievable.
Really?
Mm.
Nice. Where from?
I held on from 1780.
Oh, you held on the trade?
Yeah.
Nice.
I held on. I didn't hold. Obviously, I'm only got runners at the moment, but I closed half when one of the 5-minute candles closed above the other ones. I thought it was going to properly good. I kind of like reduced my my risk.
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
Yeah, and obviously it went. So
beautiful. Yeah, good man.
Who was it? I think it was Ninja posted that. Ninja, did you post that Mark Ward video?
Which video?
The guy who wrote the book. The trading book. I meant
the trading in the zone guy.
Yeah, is that Mark Ward?
Mark Douglas.
Mark Douglas.
Yeah.
I posted one, didn't I, the other day, like the 4-part series one that he did.
Yeah, you know what I found really interesting? Actually, it's weird, you know, but what I found really interesting was he was talking about like slot machines, and that nobody sits down at a slot machine expecting to win every kind of pull of the slot machine, and it's just about having that same kind of attitude that you can't expect to win every single trade. Obviously, you're trying to win every trade. But so in terms of being able to control that emotion,
for sure.
You're like, oh, fucking hell, lost a trade. Whereas it's like if you're playing a slot machine, you know when you sit down, there's probably more times you're going to pull it and lose than win. But with that, nobody seems to have an issue.
Exactly. I think it's because the slot machines is because it's less like you're not doing
doesn't acquire much skill.
Yeah. Whereas here you're putting in effort, and then when it doesn't work out, the effort, it's hurting you a little bit. That's the difference.
Yeah. Oh yeah. No, absolutely. But I think it was more. The point was that you accept the odds before you sit down.
For sure.
You know what I mean?
Exactly.
So you don't let that you have 2 spins and you didn't win something fuck up the next.
Yeah, or complain that you've lost your account because you're taking 3 losing trades. Like, you should have over-risked, you fucking idiot.
Like just put another penny in and give it another, and just maintain that kind of level.
Yeah.
Obviously not if you're like losing every fucking trade, then obviously.
Yeah.
But, yeah.
And there we go. TP2 hit. The T. Motherfucker.
I didn't get that signal for TP2 Max.
Oh, I didn't fucking get the signal either. I'm gutted. Fuck's sake. Oh, why didn't you have to do it so long? It took so long. And then the 50-minute close bullish above, so I wouldn't even taken that. But the break of the lows was re-entries, but I just didn't want to take that second entry again. Should have done it the first time. GA moved a lot yesterday after the stream. Took a sell. Yeah, it did. I was doing the sim. We sort of closed below. The issue is the stops, man. The stops are getting too big on GJ for stuff like that. 20 pips is like the minimum I've been seeing recently, this week especially. 20 pepperonis. So there you go. You've got to close off an extra portion of your trade right there. When it hits the body of the candle, that's what you got to close. And then if you want to take it and leave it a little bit longer, then you could hold it down there a little bit more. How big did that move to? 32 pips, nice. From our entry.
I think the best analogy I've ever heard is a roulette wheel. How there's even blacks and even reds, but that one green gives that statistical edge to the casino, so that's why they always win overall.
Didn't I tell you that?
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, I think that's the best analogy I've heard.
Yeah. Yeah, boy. It is a good analogy, I like it. Check the news. Okay, let's take a look. 10 o'clock with some news later on for Euro. Has Euro GPY done anything yet? Nope. What kind of words do you have to say about GJ this morning then, Brian? How did it move? Do you like the way it moved? Up and down?
I haven't touched it. So I'm smiling, man.
Oh, you haven't even touched it. You haven't even looked at it. She's gonna be pissed off at that, like. get some bad luck.
Yeah, but you got to know when it's shit, you know what I mean?
Yeah, exactly. And that is pretty shit.
It's pretty shit.
Oh my god.
At least I didn't lose anything on gold, so I'm safe for the day.
Yeah.
So I'm happy with that.
I'm happy with the management. I just, you know, after like you've managed nicely, I really wish this candle did that.
Yeah.
Makes you feel much better. Not fucking
Not
nuts.
the way you wanted it.
Yeah. You're like, oh, I did manage risk and I feel good about it, but I did just smash my TP2. For fuck's sake. But you can't do anything about it, man. That's the management, especially when that 15 closed bullish. The 30 also closed bullish as well. It ain't looking good, bruv. But the re-entries and the break of the celery play, that was alright. It was alright. But I wasn't going to do it again. I think it's a little bit silly. Buy and sell gold at the same time. Which one in profit? 5 pips hold at the close. That would not work. I like the one where you have two trading accounts, two funded accounts, and in news you do one buy, one sell on in each one, and then whichever one gets activated, you leave the other one, and then you take your money past the account and keep on doing that.
Or both get activated and both lose.
Yeah, it's rare though. I normally be quite quick to take it off. So Raj has got his Instagram back. I told you he didn't.
He was blocked or something.
Yeah,
man.
he was. I told you. Yeah, he's done that though the past years, and I love it when he does it. He's so obvious. He just goes, "Oh yeah, you know, I did it." It's like, no, you didn't, Raj. I need to delete the hard work that you've done, put into that. But I think what he's doing is he's pissed off that he doesn't have a bit of authority. You know what I mean? Like, his Instagram probably got deleted for some guy just hating on him. And he's lost all his work. He's probably quite pissed off with it. So he's like, I'm just, I'll sack this off. I'm just gonna go to Twitter. That's what's happened. So I think anyway. GU flip. These look like rejection wicks to me. And also the rejection wicks because if you take a look to the left hand side, always take a look to the left hand side. Boom. Boom. Support. Rejection wick. Always take a look to the left hand side. That was my target for GU I did this morning. You can go and check that out. And now we've came to that. We've tapped it and we've rejected. So taking a sell on this flip, the zone to the next support is 2.5 pips. Not worth it. Okay? So always remember to look left. The reason why I like gold this morning is because we had a clean candles to the left, there and there. Can you see we've filled it now? It took its fucking time, but it did do it. You know what I mean? So you gotta have clean candles, clean areas. And for me, a GU, if you take a look at GU, the reason why I like this trade so much is because if you look to the left again, look what we had, clean candles. Okay, so this is the area to take the trades in. This is not now. It's hit TP. Okay. The best trades to take are the ones with the clean zones. Clean zones are so much nicer. And that's why I've been getting clapped on Goldie, because some of the zones I've been getting into being a little bit too delicate into small 5-minute ranges. So I've learned from that, man. You just got to stick with the clean zones, and as long as you get an entry in that clean zone area and you've got the direction, it's pretty Gucci. EJ's coming up. Interesting. My only cause for concern is there's a shitload of news at 10 o'clock. It's still an hour and a half away. 4 hours reflip, breaking the high. Daily's pushing up. Gold sells if price closes below 1777 or nah. Nah. That could be the runner's job if you got in it higher, but no. This is the main one, which you just tapped. This is the second one. So if you get a measuring tool from there to there, it's only 4 pips. It's not enough. Okay, you need a zone and gold that's at least 10, 20 pips. Going off early today. Great stream. Hit the like, guys. Cheers, mate. Thank you very much. Yeah, guys, make sure you smash that like button. It's been very, very hard, but I show you the discipline. All that Gucci stuff. The discipline, the risk management. Bish, bash, bosh. 1 second. Look further left into you, and there's some really nice traffic below this zone. Be nice later on. GJ's pushing up. Finally. Breaking with that 4-hour res as well. It's just your resistance could be there. I mean, that's alright to be honest, but then there's 15 res right there.
The fake card retest was nice, which gave you a stop.
What, down here?
So there's your fake card.
Yeah.
There's your retest.
Yeah.
There's your stop.
Yeah. I see. Wonder if this 4 hours is gonna break. This hourly's got 24 minutes left. I think EJ looks cleaner. Do you guys agree? Look at the daily. Daily's hit off the support. Hourly time frame's pushing up. 50 minutes gonna close in 9 minutes time. We'll see. We'll see. Thank you so much for subscribing. All that good stuff. Let's see, look here. Brian, I think you got it. Brian, did you get it? Watch as it stops. Stops for 8-9 pips. You guys will never know. Top G vibes, oh my god. I caught a 1 to 30 on US 30 yesterday. Oh wow, 1 to 30, holy shit. Very nice, very nice. So this daily candle now should start to fill this daily wick to 1772. Eventually, if I can break the support. But then there's a minor one there, the minor one there, so it's kind of hard for the cells now. I wanted the cells there, right there. I mean, the only thing you can say is that there's not one 5 minute that closed above. I kind of did actually. Yeah, I did. Doesn't matter. GJ buys above 16900. Yeah, 15 res is right there at 161.
And you got QP 161.
Yeah, I don't really like it. I think I might have to wait a little bit higher up, to be honest. 250 is the main one because that's the resistance and the support. You can see it there. So 2 unlucky trades. We got a break even there and it actually launched straight after, which was a bit of a shame, unfortunately. And that gold one went straight to TP. So just a bit of luck. I need to go eat my mangoes, I think. So we'll see on this EJ because the zone above is pretty clean. So and it's breaking above Asian highs. Just gotta get a closure now. We just gotta get a closure. Ooh, we got another subscriber over here. Thank you so much for subscribing, Bob. Bobby Bob Bob. Let's look here. You guys going to Ibiza? Oh, I'm gonna go Ibiza, man. Ibiza. I love it. Let's take a look. Yeah, so later on there's nothing too much. There's nothing too much, which is good. That's okay. Was there any of the higher entries to get? No. Nah, I wanted it to break the support, so there's no other way of getting it. Like that is definitely with this OB thing here, because like why the hell would it come all the way up, tap it, and then just nut again? Like why do you have to do this?
Right. So
Why couldn't you just sacked that off? And then got this bit there.
You can journal that trade now, Max.
Oh, I can't wait to journal that trade. What went wrong with this trade? Gold was being a fanny until 8 o'clock.
I mean, it's the same principle with fake outs. Why did that fake out happen?
Yeah, for sure. It's good that you can see it though. I can see that pretty easily.
I love a good fake out there.
Nice juicy fake out.
That's also another thing when you learn about this. Like, it might look like mess to you or it's just consolidating, but then when you drop to the lower time frames, it paints a picture, and then you see what happened and why. So it makes much more sense afterwards. Of course, in the moment, it's just tricky to actually see, but after it's happened, then you see exactly why it happened.
Yeah.
Fake outs can get you like 15 pips. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
A little subtle hint there. Any chance you get 15 pips, Brian?
Yeah, maybe right. I'm not touching this zone. It's shit.
Candlestick patterns. I've got a PDF for candlestick patterns.
Yeah.
Everyone can go through that shit.
I just can't fathom. I mean, is it because it's faked out there? Because I was thinking like, there's so many wicks and there's so many candles there. Do you get in on that flip there?
Closure back in the range.
Yeah.
I had it marked up the support, but I didn't see the thing until Brian mentioned it. But it's like triple bottoms in it, then it closed back in range. Nice wick down and then up.
Oh, don't break this. Don't make this another trade and run of that. Oh, 70, 73. So 32% of people said they got slapped on GJ today. It's quite a big proportion. 32% of people. So if there was like 300 people there.
Max, sorry I interrupted you then. Our gold, M pattern that Brian talks about, if we close below, would you look at selling it or not?
Nah, because now there's support there and there. It's just
not hourly, sorry.
To look at the hourly.
That M pattern Brian talks about.
Yeah. I mean,
that's right. Close below this little area, slightly above where you've got your support.
Yeah, it makes sense. But the 30 and the 30 support's right there, man. I think it's kind of just disregarding it, right? Like, yeah, the hourly looks clean, but the 15 and the 30, like, to this support there is 9 pips, and that support there is 7, and we know that it reacts off them pretty hard. So I think for me, that's the move I wanted. I couldn't get into the re-entries there just because of discipline reasons. I think that's the move. I hate getting in later on, man. That's like, you know what I mean? Like, imagine getting in here now, and but before this was my TP2, this is my TP1. Like, you know, and now I'm taking another trade there. What if I lose it and, like, you know, knowing that there's supports there and knowing that this was the move. So it's kind of, yeah, a pain. Bro, what is your 4-hour flip and daily flip that you marked your chart? Just the flip of the candles in direction. So can you see the daily flip line is above price? It means it's bearish. You see? It's right at the daily flip. 4-hour flip is on the 4-hour flip.
I think you should write a commons question thing, Max.
Yeah,
just
yeah.
everything every day, so they can just have a little look.
Look
Can
at
let
it.
you sit repeating yourself. I know people need to learn.
Yeah, I think Don has one of them actually. Oh, EJ's closing. How much would stops be? 11 pips. Right, I'm going for this. If it closes above, that is. It's got to close further than that. Oh, right on it. What a ball bag. Goes right on the resistance, man. GJ, 40 minutes left for the closure above this 900 level. 947. Oh, 15 is closed below. No bottom wick though, and it's at the Asian lows as well. Let's look at 30. 30 hasn't closed below yet. Yeah, it's still a choppy area, but it's just interesting to see it's actually closed. The runners here could be doing well. Oh man, gorgeous. Let me just draw this trend line on again and see the score. Came pretty close to 755 to come and retap it. GJ breaking up. Oh, Ryan, it might be good for the day, eh?
Oh, really good, boy. What are you talking about?
Oh, 161250 next target.
We can go, boy. We can go. We need a closure above the key level, though.
Yep. Yeah, boy. Holy shit, what is gold doing? Yeep. Look at that. Straight on the support. Was like, nope. So that's why we pick taking positions off there. You gotta take them off at the perfect areas. Don't be greedy and hold them on.
Or a Ninja's 15-minute order block as well.
Some of that too.
So Ninja is throwing spanners in the works with our scalping strategies.
It's perfect now. But actually what seems to happen is that when he wants to get in, we're hitting TP, so it makes sense. Like it's normally, like, for example here, like if there's an OB here, I want to take profit there. Then
100%.
he can buy off it, so it's quite cool.
As I was saying, we can use it to our advantage to go, okay, get out here, good entry there, supports or whatever. So it works hand in hand, it works together, right?
Yeah.
Also, just because it's an OB doesn't mean I'm going to take it.
No.
There has to be a reason, so it has to cause a break or structure or something. But that one is still within the major structures, so I don't like it.
Exactly.
But EJ 136.5, I'm marking up right now. That would be good for sales. It's an hourly OB and it's following major downtrend structure on the H.
136.5.
Yeah, on the hourly.
Ah, there.
So yeah, right there. But if you zoom out, you can kind of see it's a really clear lower low and lower highs.
Yeah.
All the way from the top left. Like,
Yeah.
proper zoom out, look low, low, lower high.
Yeah.
So that's where I'm expecting it to retrace to then continue sales.
Ninja sounds like a teenager.
I'm only 21. Close.
Yeah. 21. Look at GJ. Whoa.
You do that.
Oh no.
Big suit play, man. Come on, we get another trade here. Back into that
Oh,
crap.
I don't want to back in that crap. I just want a clean zone.
Let's just go back into
I
the
want
shit.
a clean zone. I want a clean zone, man. I trade with clean zones. I'm not fucking. I'm not taking.
Get them since Jan.
Oh man, I'm sick of it. The only clean zones I'm getting is fucking gold, and they're still fucked around. Oh god. I know when GJ gives me a nice clean zone, it's gonna be Gucci, but right now there's no fucking clean zone, so I'm leaving it. You won't get them this shit. I was taking cash from my cash. Look at. Oh god, Ryan. So 10 minutes for this. Market is asking you to go on a trip. I'm telling you. I shit you not, when I'm on holiday, the zones would be nice. And I will probably try and take... Nah, I won't be. I'll be so hungover. I'm lying here. I will not be trading that week.
I talk shit. You're gonna take your fucking...
Nah, with the boys, man. The boys will be fucking around. I'm not missing my holiday for that. I'm taking a holiday. I'm on fun. All that shit.
You still got to run London session, boy, and you can go on fuck holidays.
I want Bri to do YouTube.
No, you can fuck
do it. I'll be well funny.
I'll tell him, well, you won't have any fans left, mate. I promise.
Oh god.
I will literally delete your YouTube.
He is not very positive about easy trading till 2023.
No, but it makes sense. It makes absolute sense.
Yeah, it does. Well, I might just retire until 2023. Oh man. Well, one trade opportunity for me today. It worked out nicely, just not in the candles I was in. It's shock. Don't you just love this, right? As well, right? So look at Goldie, right? So this is Goldie, you know, nice big candles. The second I get in, the second I get in, the second I get out. Are you fucking kidding me? It's definitely the market's telling me something over here.
I think you need to leave gold the fuck.
Yeah. It's saying, come to your chosen one. Come to GJ again. I'm like, yeah, I will if you give me some fucking clean ranges. That's mad that 32% of people got slapped this morning. Interesting.
How much?
32%.
It's not actually too bad.
32% of everyone that voted.
No, it's not. Imagine how it would be. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
People are winding up. They're taking more caution, right? So you can imagine it would have been 70-80%.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. So 56 people who voted took a GJ loss. 56 people. Oh. 2 minutes made a top wick, but still there. New here, are these guys breakout traders? Can't quite follow what their general strategy is. Yes. But right now, there's no fucking breakouts going on. It's range trading. This is why it's awfully boring for me.
This is where I style, boy.
Yeah, man. Brian, I might pass you the baton, man. Stop loss range trading. I'll just sit on the back burner. Give me a holler when there's fucking no ranges and there's actually nice zones.
I love it when you're watching gold. I can just focus on GJ.
Yeah, you arswipe. I hate that. I'm fucking staring at gold. And Brian's there taking the fucking trade on GJ. No one else is looking at. I swear it makes GJ better because I'm not looking at it. GJ goes, right, fuck, let's piss off Max a little bit more. Let's move now.
Fucking just put him in a mental hole. Let's fuck off.
Oh god.
It's like a loading screen. When you're not looking, then it goes quicker.
Yeah.
Just close your eyes.
What's the best month so far? April, 37%.
Everything since September.
Well, September, October, November, and December were all good. I actually checked them before. My December month was also good. January, February was meh. That's when things started to get a little fucking...
Yeah.
Not 10 pip stop loss anymore. Fucking
That's
20.
where we had to really adapt.
I've been looking at it recently, and half the moves that I miss on GJ and the ones that maybe Dr. Dollar takes, which are the exact same trades I'd take, it's just that he goes to 20 pip stops.
Yeah.
And they work. So I might just go, you know what, half risk. Because the zones are big enough, right? So what you do is, you know, if you get a closure here, you look, alright, okay, it's 20 pip stops, this is obviously too big. If the zone's not 20, then don't take it. Bro, watch GU. Oh my god. There we go, I hit the support. Look at the 4-hour time frame. Makes sense, it's just filled this wick. It went, nope.
Dr. Dollar's trades recently, are they on YouTube?
Yeah, it's, I don't know actually, I don't know.
I'll check just to see if it's kind of like the same, just so I can check it out.
Yesterday he took one, which we actually looked at. But he actually didn't even close. But I would have closed. I think he got like 18 pips. He's right at the res. But it was just a solid closure above. It's just 20 pip stop.
Yeah.
Because I feel the 10 to 12 pips now are starting to be non-existent. Like they're just none.
Yeah.
So just gotta adapt. EJ is moving. Yeah, boy. Still waiting for this next closure, and then it could be okay. Make a nice low wick in the hourly. Stop loss below the previous 30 would be 17 pips. We'll see. In an EJ buy, pray for me. I need it. Oh my god. I think you're good, man. I think the zone's clean. As long as you got in like there, you should be break even. And there's 10 pips. It's a shame that this candle goes right at res, which is a little bit annoying. You had Bro Bricks come out at 9 AM. Yeah, 9 AM has a good volume recently. I agree. Yes, sir. Wow. Beautiful. Continuing over here. 161046 past 161, which is good to see. This hourly is actually not that bad either, which is good to see as well. So how much to the next zone? Yeah. 8 pips. 8 pepperoonies. Praise don't work on markets. AJ. Let's take a look. We got Jason coming on good. Fuck AJ. It's a big res, man. 93,856. Just need to buy above there. Yeah, and then this, yeah. 856, but then there's on the 4 hour there's still support there, so probably above 900 really. I still think it looks a little bit shocking. Goldie's made the top wick. This may continue, may break these Asian lows. Interesting. So it would be 18 pips. AJ, the good old days. Yep. So there we go. Push into this zone. Runners would still be on up here if you held it on. Gold shafted me, so need some wings. How did it shaft you? What did you take? Did you take buys and sells? Because like, the only way it would shaft you is if you took like a... I don't know if you're closing this area. That's the only way... That's already shafting. It's closing at minus 6 pips profit. Minus 6 pip loss. It's alright. Hope GJ gives us a responsible wick. Well, now if you take a look at the 30, it's got to come above there now. 250. Max, imagine if you hold that a trade. I know, man. It was a beautiful trade, just couldn't work in my time. Look at this, looking good now to continue. You'll be up like 6, 7 pips, 8 pips. I'd go break even on that if you got in on the flip, which I know a lot of people would have. And actually TP1, I'd take some off here, this next support.
Yeah, but would you have with the candle timer?
With that rejection, and if this was a little bit cleaner, yeah,
sure.
I think I probably would have if this wasn't here really. Just a bit further down, that would have been nice.
GJ's gonna tap that fucking raise before.
Yeah. GG. Oh, it's a shame that I didn't close above, man. That was nice.
Yeah.
Wow, beautiful. We're gonna continue further. Just got the supports here at 1775. No, 50 pips. 50 pips. Oh, stop milking gold, please. You're just killing me. Fucking. Got these 5 minute.
It's probably gonna bounce.
Bullshit. Right. Yeah, that's right, hourly look. Yeah, boy. Oh my god, look at you. Holy shit. Look at that. Oh shit, EJ's closed. Okay. Nice low wick of the 30 and the hourlies. If it comes back down to 688. It's actually a 13 pip stop on the previous anyway. To the next res would be 7 pips. It's not bad. Just to look at the hourly as well. Hourly strongly closed. Comes and retests there. I'd be much happier as well. It's actually a untested area. It's just tapped as well. EJ tapped the 4-hour res. Let's take a look. I mean, what do you mean here? I think this is clean though. I don't think this is. I think that's too far away. That was 4th of August. Down, do. How much should we be on the 15? It's just if this area has enough zone. That is the only issue. But it's a nice bottom wick, man. It's a nice bottom wick. Who's going for it? Just to look at the hourly. If you just close a little bit higher above 860, it'd be much fucking easier, eh?
Yeah.
Much easier. So it's made the low wick. To look at the 5. Yeah, I'm gonna stay out of this. The zone's too small, and I just yeah, it's. If the zone was a little bit bigger, it would be nice, but the zone's too small. You got 11 pips to the hourly res, 11 pips to 250. Oh. Oh. Let's take a look. Thing is though, as you look at the 5, this untested still like yeah, 980. But it's closed above. I mean, yeah, it looks pretty reasonable. I think it could go. It's just my stops aren't secure, man. Stop loss above.
They're in the air.
Yeah, they're in the air. They're not safe. That's 25 pips. Fuck me. If you wanted to do it, it would be EJ because the stops are a little bit better. Okay, so it's flipped. Gonna break the high already. When you get to that level there, you'd be 6 pips in profit and you go break even. What's it like here? Yeah, GG's got a lot of untested yet. Bow, bow. 60 likes, amazing work this morning. Really, really good with the risk management, happy with that. And broken down pretty much to the T, Goldie. Just couldn't get it in our entry. And yeah, GJ's pushed off nicely over here. So hopefully we can continue bullish above 250, and then that'll be nice later on. That'll be real good later on. Real good. But I think for now, I'm probably gonna have to wait a little bit longer. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it off over here, guys. Thank you so much for coming on. Simulation is on Wednesday, so then we're all good for that. And yeah, we'll see you guys next session, man. Unfortunate on that gold, but good option. Clean candles. Unfortunately, just couldn't get the push. Thank you so much, guys. Peace out, man. See you later, squad. Peace out, man. See you later, YouTubes. Thank you so much for coming on. If you guys did like the stream, make sure to give it a like. I gave you the opportunity for the gold and an extra entry in the break of the 30s. So hope you capitalized on that and then stayed away from GJ, man. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, squad. Peace out. Oh my god. Do do do.